Welcome to the first video of chapter 2 of our Intro to Java programming book, and the fourth video of our series of videos that we have constructed regarding the Intro to Java on YouTube channel. Basically, in today's video, we'll be getting into writing our first Java program. Following along the book content, whether you're brand new to coding or just brushing up your skills, this would be the correct position to learn how we can actually get started on Java. Now, I've already told you how you can install and set up Java and what IDE to use, and I'm not going to particularly focus on going over and setting up those environments again and how to work on those environments. What I'm going to focusing on here is just showing you how you can set up a simple Java program and execute it. So first, we can create our first Java program by creating a file with the .java extension. This file would be our entry point for our program. So if you focus on the screen right now, you'll see a Java program that's on the screen here. Here you'll see we have public class main. Now let's, and based on that, we have this structure here. But first thing we need to understand is what this structure represents. Public class main defines the class name main. In Java, every program starts with this with a class basically. And then you see the second part where we have public static void main, string args basically. This is the main method that the entry point where our execution of our code begins. The first is the class of the program, and then we have the execution point for the program where the execution begins. And then we have, if you see in between that, system.out.println. This basically prints the hello world onto the console. Now let's run the program. In this particular environment that I'm using, I can just click execute here, and it's going to run the program here, and you'll see in the output file hello world appeared. But if you're running it in a computer IDE, you need to first compile it. You compile it by using Java C and then write the name of the file, which would be the name with the .java extension, and then you just run the file name basically, and that should run the file. And that's basically how you can set up and run your first Java program successfully. Now that you've written your first Java program, the possibilities for working on Java are just beginning. In the next videos, we'll be covering a lot of important operations regarding Java and be focusing on what you can do next to get better and learn more into Java. So we'll move on to the next video for chapter 2 on Java in the coming up videos. With that, I'm going to wrap up and see you in our next video. Thank you.